Rain vocabulary 15 words related to rain. Drizzle, light rain with very fine droplets. Downpour, a heavy and intense rain that falls suddenly. Deluge, an overwhelming heavy rain often leading to flooding. Cloudburst, a sudden and very heavy rainfall often with little warning. Sprinkle, a very light rain with scattered drops. Missile, very fine misty rain. Sleet, rain that freezes into ice pellets before hitting the ground. Pluvial, related to or characterized by rainfall. Monsoon, it is a seasonal wind pattern that brings heavy rains and significant weather changes to certain regions, especially in South Asia. Rainbow, a multicolored arc that appears in the sky when sunlight passes through raindrops. Overcast, a sky completely covered with clouds, often indicating rain. Gust, a brief strong burst of wind, often associated with rain. Petrichor, the pleasant earthy smell that often accompanies a first rain after a long period of dry weather. Torrential, extremely heavy rain. Puddle, a small accumulation of water on the ground, typically formed by rain.